Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to walk you through creating a digital product with Beacons.ai. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Beacons.ai account, and I'm going to leave a link so you can create a free account in the description box below. So once you're logged into your dashboard, select Store and then click Get Started. Now there are different options that you can choose depending on whether you're selling a product or a service and so on. I'm going to pick product, but the process is quite similar depending on what you choose. Now I'm going to skip this. So here's the link where people can actually go to and buy my product. Down here is what they're going to see when they go to this link. So I can edit the text here. The price and so on. Now, because I'm selling a digital product, I can use this section right here to actually upload the file or direct the user to a link by using this option that is going to be available once the payment has been confirmed. Going to get an email with the link or the product, with the link to either download the product or the link itself to go to a web page. Here I can add the image of my product. Once everything looks good, click here where it says checkout. So once the user has decided to buy the product, they're going to fill this form, and this email account that they put in this box here is going to be the one that is going to receive the product that they just bought. And in this is where they're going to see once the purchase has been successful. This is the email that they're going to receive if they buy it, and you can customize it. So once you're happy with how everything looks, just make sure you click publish and it's done. You can click here to go to the final page. As you can see, that's the page we just created, and this is the link you can share with your product. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.